In 1945, an engineer at Raytheon named Percy Spencer was conducting experiments with radar technology using a magnetron, a device that generates microwave radiation. While working, he accidentally noticed that a candy bar in his pocket had melted. Curious to know more, he placed some popcorn kernels near the magnetron and observed them popping. He experimented further with different food items, including an egg, which exploded in his face. This demonstrated the potential of the radiation for cooking food rapidly. In 1947, Raytheon filed a patent for Spencer's microwave cooking process, and the first microwave oven, the Radarange, was produced for commercial purposes in 1947. Subscribe.